Okay guys, let's do some cloudy then rainy tacos part 2. Sunny outside right now. It's right nice and sunny and beautiful outside right now. It's clouded over now. Clouds are getting darker. It's thunder. Lightning's flashing. It's thunder. Oh my god, it's raining tacos. Oh my god, it's raining tacos. This storm is worse than April 12th, 2014. Rain's getting heavier. It's raining tacos even more. It's worse than ever before. It's getting worse. Winds are getting stronger. It's upgraded to hurricane force. Oh my god, look at the ground beef. Look at this taco sauce. And look at the lettuce fall down. And tomatoes. And look at the taco shells floating around. Oh my god, tacos up to my knees now. It's up to your waist. It's getting much heavier now. I broke my umbrella. It's getting way heavier. More tacos will fall down. It's up to your chest. This storm's over. Shoveling. Can't take it anymore. I'm thirsty. Thanks for watching. I'm Frankie McDonald.